Hi guys, welcome back to another Prof Robs video, and let's just get straight into it. So, you might have seen that Scratch has added this new thing, a project funnel update, and it's a new feature. So, let me show you how it works. So, if I just go to a blank project, right? You might see this new button, a blue button. It says set thumbnail, and basically how it works is that it'll take like the screen of what the Scratch project is right now and then make it so it appears when people are looking at it and stuff. So if I just made like one now, for example, this is probably gonna look really bad, but it's just thumbnail, and then at the back. Okay, yeah, all that doesn't look very good, but I rushed it. Name it something, and then you can press set thumbnail, and then if I go back, let it load, you can see over here, right, it shows the thumbnail. And also, another thing, if you have Scratch add-ons, you might have added this add-on, right? You press this button and you can upload a custom thumbnail. And with this, you can upload the file. Yeah, that's it. Bye.